recalled what those best practices and data analysis are, then we could jump into doing this with Python. So first, we're going to import our file. We're going to clean and validate data. We will analyze the data, transform it, and finally export the file. Now, we want to recall what the pandas data frame, what this looks like. We're going to see a reference in the slides that the reference says DF. So data frame is an object from the pandas library. It refers to this fundamental table-like structure. Data frame, or DF, is a variable. It's a variable that refers to this data frame object. So we're going to see DF again with dot notation. The dot notation will indicate DF. Let's say, for instance, is DF.column. That means we're referencing a data frame, and the actual the dot is referencing a part or a component of the data frame object, this particular data frame object. And we'll also see an opportunity to reference either like